the issue of the car, I was 100% against the purchase of a car. Mota yakatengwa cash. Because when those guys got their money, they had money which was more than $500,000 in the account. And I was saying, guys, let us buy a house in Central.
$500,000 rand or?
Yeah, rands.
Okay.
So I was saying, guys, let us buy a house in Central, or otherwise start a business here in Zimbabwe, because we've already registered the company. The reason why we registered the company, I wanted to push that brand commercially. So now, Gilbert, I don't know. And they called me for 21 November, February. Chikanzi baba isisi kunotenga mota tati tikudze. Not to tikukumbira got advice. Tati tikudze kuti kunotenga mota. But even in such circumstances, I then stood up and said, no, guys, you can't buy a car now. So later, as we were discussing, I found out that no, seriously, the guy needs to buy a car. Let me divert now, mind you. You also tell that Panama auction here and Dila now. No, I'm saying Rama symbols, Nissan, even in my story, Fortuna, whoever for this latest model Ford, Zaganga didn't go 150,000. They got at least what, and the other reason, and there I'm not if you bear a car auto license, you are going to be tempted to drive it, and then over Sungo. Even the popularity of about driver's license, it's bad news on the brand.
Yeah.
So that conversation to an extent with another day I called him Anna Baba Minwagi. Muswacho I don't think I'm 24 February. No guys, please I beg you, Musatenga mo. Imbonira. No, but that a long conversation in a Baminwaki Wangana, no bazo to a phone, indicate guys Musatenga mo. Saka zvandaita inini the couple ndaiva advice. Kana ndava advisor, at the end of the day, vaizotora madecisions avo. Then kana vatora madecisions avo, inichandangozeta kusupporta madecisions avo because I cannot keep on fighting. It's their life. So musi wakatengwa mota, I wrote a message to Gube. Vakati no ndatenga mota. Ndikati this is the biggest mistake of your life. Mashoko angu uchazofunga rimwe remazuva. Ane message iyo ndakamunyorera. But okay, Baba, but those are 20. But mota yakatengwa cash.